Experience. I won effort. I won strenuous effort. Many of our students, one is in Canada, is appointed as a legal official. One is a jurist, like in London, he is doing for everything. One hour is in London, another hour is in Russia. They came from MPR Law College Institution. MPR Law College Institution, they went out. They are advising the world now itself. They are advising the Supreme Court. They are inviting their suggestions. The Supreme Court advocates and the Supreme Court judges inviting our students advisors. And they meet. So, just like this institution like seems small, but it's a big professional balance. A big professional balance through which I emphasize the seniors who have extended their cooperation to felicitate and give pleasure to those who are joining for the first year and 3x LLB and 5x LLB. I didn't see this type of experience and enthusiasm, excellency by the both freshers, the courage, performance, and the activeness. Not only education, but in the finance also our students are pushed forward at every corner of their lives. Made me happy.
అందరిని చేస్తాం.
Happiness to our presence there, our one blood and flesh. Only we joined without thinking, without what the future is. The future is better than the future we expected in other courses. But I got bless you. This is well, you should be all selected as the officer. But Indonesian notification comes. But Indonesian notification